YouTube Shorts launched in 2020, but has since become a place with 200 billion daily views, the same as rival Instagram Reels. And now the company plans to make it more intuitive with several key changes. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. YouTube started hiding dislike counts years ago, but it's now removed the button completely on Shorts. The team said in a blog post that instead of letting people dislike the video, they're relying on more precise controls like not interested and don't recommend this channel to more accurately tune your feed and serve up content you love. It's also replaced the like button with a heart to provide a more meaningful way to interact with content. Some Reddit commenters noted that removing the dislike button will make it harder to express contempt for AI slop and other bad content, although others said that the dislike button messes with the logic of engagement and that the not interested and don't recommend options are a better way to avoid undesirable content. There's also a new clear screen mode, just like TikTok's clear mode. YouTube said that the interface can sometimes feel like splotches on your windshield, so you now have the option to turn it off completely in the 3-dot settings menu. YouTube also changed the way you mute video on Shorts if you blast sound in an inappropriate place. Now you have to tap the video to stop it and then tap the mute button that appears. Finally, YouTube is letting you play Shorts at double speed by tapping and holding on the screen. You can then drag down to lock it for the duration of the video. YouTube called that the most requested feature for Shorts. The new settings are now rolling out, but maybe take a while to reach everywhere. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.